Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. It's very relaxing to watch a bunch of miniature cars that you like. Every model is like memory keeper, that reminds you about events that are linked to it. That's why you can spend even some hours examining them, but then you see that your precious memory and investments have covered with annoying dust. It means that time of revision and cleaning has come. So, in this episode I will show you my experience of cleaning scale models. Everything is simple. Take your favorite model and wash it with water and soap. Just joking. It's a bit complicated process, where you should be patient and do everything with care. You will need to prepare ear sticks. A lot of them. 2 separate cups of clean and warm water. Non-aggressive dishwashing liquid. And of course, handheld air blower. Almost forgot about clean cotton tissue. Now we are ready for cleaning. Start from blowing away any loose dust, especially in hard-to-reach places. Don't worry, this is solid and robust Soviet-made model. Because in Soviet Union, scale models collect you. Add 2 drops of dishwashing liquid in one of your cups with water. Dissolve the soap thoroughly in water, and leave second cup as it is. First of all, clean all model with ear stick and soapy water. After applying soapy water, clean it off with clean water. Finally, carefully and gently wipe off all water from model, with clean cotton tissue. Congratulations! Now you can enjoy your clean model. But don't forget that you have another few hundred to clean. Clean and shiny miniature cars are gorgeous. But if shelves are dirty, this will ruin overall picture. Actually, you should clean shelves at first, and only then place back clean models. So, free you shelves from models, and soak sponge or tissue with clean water. And then thoroughly clean all shelves. It's always good to repeatedly clean and soak your sponge or tissue with clean water. But anyway, there are some issues where you should pay your attention. Most of modern scale models have brittle parts. You should be even more careful in order to avoid damage of model itself, and yourself. That's why, the only option for cleaning is low-pressure air blowing. Models that have been damaged with zinc pest should be cleaned only with air, or even left untouched. Almost any physical interaction could lead to damage. Models with water slide decals should be cleaned only with air too. But if they are covered with lacquer, then you are safe to use water. Same rule could be applied to models with sticker decals. From my experience, the most sensitive parts are made from transparent plastic. Plastic bristles and synthetic or dirty tissues can easily scratch transparent plastics. It's always a bad idea to use household tools for model cleaning.